Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at a replacement GPU fan for the Acer Nitro 5 series laptops. Specifically, this is the right side fan designed for several models including the AN517-41, AN517-52, AN517-53, AN517-54, PH315-53, AN515-44, AN515-45, AN515-55, AN515-56, and AN515-57. It's crucial to note compatibility here. This fan is specifically designed for the GeForce GTX 16XX and RTX 20XX graphic series within those Nitro 5 models. So, if you have an older Nitro 5 like the AN515-51, AN515-52, AN515-53, or the PH315-52 and PH315-51 series, this particular fan won't be the right fit. Double-check your model number before ordering to avoid any headaches. This replacement fan comes as a single unit, a brand new right-side GPU fan. The brand is Sikastar, and it connects via a 4-pin power connector. One important detail is that there are two voltage versions of this fan, 5-volt and 12-volt, both designed to work with the specified models. This particular fan operates at 5 volts and consumes about 2.5 watts of power. It uses standard air cooling to dissipate heat. In terms of noise, the manufacturer claims a noise level of around 28 decibels. The fan is constructed from metal, which should contribute to its durability and heat dissipation capabilities. A failing GPU fan can lead to overheating, performance throttling, and eventually hardware damage, so a reliable replacement is essential. If your Acer Nitro 5 is running hot or the fan is making unusual noises, this Sikastar replacement fan could be a worthwhile solution, provided it's compatible with your specific model and graphics card.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.